Hi guys, it's me again to show you how to make an origami hat. So first you get a paper and you fold it in half like this. Then you have to make sure the crease is on top. Then you take the upper corners and then you fold them in and then crease. Then you take the other one and then you do the same thing and crease. Then you take the two bottom, so you take the first flap on the bottom, you fold it up like this. You flip it around and you do the same thing on the other side. Then that's your hat, but if you want to make it stronger, you take these corner flaps and you fold them into here. And same with the other side. And then on the other side, you do the same exact thing. So right, you have your hat, you take the insides out, and then you can put it on like your toys or stuffed animals. So yeah, bye, see you next time.